Hello, I am Muralidhar, maths teacher. For the last 55 years I have been teaching. I have taught in India for about 25 years and more than 30 years abroad. I have taught all Indian syllabus like CBSE, ICSE, state level for about 25 years. Outside the country, I have taught A levels, O levels, IGCSE, IB, AP calculus, advanced placement calculus, and then SAT, GMAT, GRE, like these various courses I have been teaching. These are all competitive examinations also conducted by American board. Okay, now here I am now teaching online. Today I would like to teach number system for CBSE 9th standard students. Number system. This number system natural numbers which we denote by n, set of natural numbers, whole numbers, which we denote by W, set of whole numbers, integers, which is denoted by Z, rational numbers, which is denoted by Q. These are all standard notations. We use only Q, Z, etc. These have been, since long, people have been using only this and we use this only. Now, natural numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, like this. Infinitely many set, many numbers are there. See, we are starting with 1. Now here, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, close. Addition 0. All others are same. Integers, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot. Rational numbers are like 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 7 by 9, etc. We will deal with this separately. First, let me just say this. Natural numbers are numbers which we use for counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we use like that. Here, you must know that we have not included 0 here. 0 is not a natural number because, as I told you, natural numbers are also counting numbers. Do you count 0, 1, 2, 3? No. We start only 1, 2, 3. 0 is not included. Therefore, under natural numbers, 0 does not come up. When you write whole numbers, we write 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Only addition is 0. The difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is whole numbers has 0 natural numbers does not have. Now here, integers. These integers are plus and minus. You have studied earlier in the 8th standard something called a number line. This number line has got 1, 2 like this, it goes. Here -1, -2 like this, it goes here. This is a number line. All real numbers can be represented on this number line. All real numbers. So now here, any number which you want to write here, you can write on this number line. So integers include even negative numbers. Here negative numbers are not there, here negative numbers are not there, here negative numbers are there. And the last one is rational number, like fractions we are writing, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 7 by 9. That is a rational number. I will discuss as a rational number clearly, separately right now. So this is about our number system. Now, what is that rational number about which specially we have to discuss? Rational number Q is a set of all elements x such that x is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Just now I have told you what are integers, positive or negative. Any integer, any rational number, we must be able to express it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. The examples which I gave, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 7 by 9, every number here, 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, and Q is not equal to 0. 3 is not equal to 0. 3 is an integer, 4 an integer, 4 is not equal to 0. 7 is an integer, 9 is an integer, 9 is not equal to 0. Therefore, these are called rational numbers. Why Q is not equal to 0? What happened to it? Because any number A by 0, A you write any number, minus, plus number. But if you divide it by 0, 0 is an integer, but the value is infinity, so big, which I don't know what it is. Nobody knows what it is. It is not defined. A by 0 is not defined. And that is why the rational number, he says, Q is not equal to 0. Because it's not defined. We don't know what it is. So this is point which you should know. This is what is called a rational number. But in the rational numbers also, for example, is it simply P by Q is enough? There is one more simple condition understood. Say for example 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8. These are all rational numbers, equal rational numbers. They are all same. Because 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 ones, 4 twos, all are 1 by 2s only. So a rational number in the form P by Q must be in its simplest form. Simplest form means 2 by 4 we don't say that, 1 by 2 we will say that. If it is 4 by 8, we don't say it is rational. It is rational, but simplify and give that as 1 by 2. So it should be in the simplest form. In other words, there should be no common factor between the numerator and denominator. Between P and Q there should be no common factor. 2 and 4 there is a common factor of 2. Remove it by cancelling it. 4 and 8 there is a common factor 4. Remove it by cancelling it by 4. Then 1 by 2 is the rational number. If you can't write this, if you can't write any number in this form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, then Q is not equal to 0, then it is not a rational number. For example, I write here root 3 by 2. Root 3 is not an integer. Root 3 is something like 1.732, goes on like that. So it is not an integer. Therefore, this cannot be a rational number, though you can write it as root 3 by 2. 2 is not equal to 0, but the numerator is not an integer. So first thing you have to keep in your mind that P and Q are integers. P by Q must be in its simplest form. Q should not be equal to 0. That's a rational number. Now, all the things which I have taught you, that is the different types of integer. First we taught you natural numbers. Every natural number, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. I can write 4 by 1. 4 is an integer, 1 is an integer, 1 is not equal to 0, it is simplest form. All natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers means, for example, 0, 0 by 1. 0 is an integer, 1 is an integer, 1 is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number, 0 by 1. 0 by 1 may be 0, but it is a rational number. Because you can write it as 0 by 1. 1 by 0 you can't write. Because 1 by 0 is infinity. Any number divided by 0 is infinity, that is not. So here 0 by 1 you can write 0. So whole numbers are also rational numbers. You understand that? Integers, any integer, positive, negative. For example, minus 2 by 3. Fine. Minus 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, 3 is not equal to 0. It's a rational number. All these are rational numbers. So then what is not rational is called irrational. We will discuss about this after some time. Before that, we will do some small problems just confirming these ideas. Okay?